In looking up some specifications on this bike, I came across topspeed.com. One of the writers there referred to this bike as the Urban Performance Bobber. In military green and black, we have a 2014 from the Star Series, a Bolt, Yamaha Bolt. 942cc V-twin engine, 5-speed transmission, under 15,000 miles. Surprises me this bike has that many miles because it looks so good. It also just came out of service running perfect and just came out of Jamie. She's amazing. Jamie's detail looking great. Yeah. If this was a Harley, would refer to it as stage 1 kit, performance exhaust, high flow air filter. Go ahead and listen to those pipes real quick. What did I do wrong? Oh, I hit the wrong button. Yeah, it definitely helps if you want to start a bike to hit the starter button. Worked well the second time. This military green and black beauty is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.